Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on the application of WhatsApp. Here we go to settings. In this page, you will click in this window here of apps, default apps, app settings. In this page of apps, you will search about the application of WhatsApp and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.